district. So my question is, having set the premise, in light of the systemic overpricing revealed by recent corruption scandals, would the good secretary and his new team consider it reasonable and technically sound to implement an across-the-board reduction, say, of 25 to 30% on all DPWH infrastructure line items as a temporary corrective measure so that in 2027 you can be more scientific? But because the previous officials have admitted that there are even 50% overprices, there's even more than that. And when you think about it, people pay taxes. Taxpayers' money goes to infrastructure. And if this 50% is an overprice or even a 25, how can we in conscience work on the budget or affix our signature on an overpriced budget?